Hello, Cuquin. I bring you a gift.
A present, a present!
Hold on, Cuquin. Here.
A present! Yay!
One, two, three.
Balloons! Balloons! Balloons!
How fun! Which one do you want? Choose. Number three.
All of them! All of them! All of them!
No, Cuquin. You can only choose one.
One! Yellow! Yellow egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! An elephant.
One little elephant was happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when he found that he still resisted, he went and called another
one.
little elephant.
Choose me. Number three. I'm right here. The red one. I'm very shiny. Please choose me. I'm right here. Please. Number two. Please choose right
Red
here.
balloon. Red egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cow!
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On this farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo-
More! Oh, two, a blue balloon!
Here, come get me. Hee chase me. Too slow. Here, come get me. Chase me.
Blue egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A donkey!
My dear